Okay, we just put the 4-over bearings back in it because the standard bearings are only 2/10 bigger than the other bearings, which are way under. So they're 5/10 under, the other ones are 3/10 under, and these were 1 or 2/10 above, even though it's supposed to be 4 above. So right now we're loose top to bottom here, but we're a little snug this way. It's got clearance, but it's a little tighter than I like. So I'm going to go ahead and put on the hone and knock out a couple tenths on this tight side. So go ahead and drop it down. See how it's tight? Slightly.
You only lost one.
Only lost one? That's pretty good. So we're gonna reset this to 0. That's 4/10 that way, and this one is 0 this way. So I'm gonna hone this for 2/10 this way. Knock out half that. That'll equalize our clearance. Should be good. All right. So I'll be back. This stone's a real pile.
Oh, this transmission is a real pile too.
Yeah, well, it's equal then.
The camera battery is not lasting very long anymore.
Yeah, I noticed it didn't drop the battery. I never recharged it.
Oh, that would help.
We also didn't run it very long last night before it shut off.
Oh.
Yeah, these China batteries just don't live like these. Like the other one. Let's see if we can eat my hand. Did that look safe?
No.
Oh, okay.
And like in the frame, there was definitely a glove unused.
There was no glove used? It was over there?
Yeah, it was in the picture though. People saw it was unused.
That's alright.
Saw that you had access to it.
We already honed it out too much.
That's because you were being unsafe.
We are now at 1/10 under. Now how much did it get looser this way? That's the key. Oh, I got 1/10 looser that way too.
It's like it's 1/10 over now.
So we took out 1/10 this way, and we took out 4/10 that way. So we had to sacrifice a 1/10 to get 4 out. So now we're 2/10 out around. Where's the new tight spot?
Is that worse than before?
I think that's the new tight spots right there. That's a 1/10 and a half right there. There's 0. Perfect. It's right there. It's perfect 0. There we go. You go over here, it gets looser. See? Uh-oh. Ooh, that's a 1/10 and a half loose. Damn. It's getting worse the more I measure it. You better stop measuring it. Okay, the tight spot is now not as tight as it was.
Yeah, measurements scare us.
Okay, so now we're going to go clean this up. We'll be back. And Scooby's back.
Do we have to clean it with solvent?
You have to use your dirty shirt you're wearing. Alright, we got it all cleaned up. So, Big Dollar Gems doesn't give you any material to work with. We're using a 4/10 over bearings, which are only like 1/10 over anyway. And it's loose, probably. Did it shrink a little bit? Oh, it's 1/10.
It got bigger.
Ooh, 3/10 down there. There you go. It shrunk a 1/10 and a half. It had heat in it. Look at that, it's 3, see? It tightened up on us. Didn't gain much.
Maybe enough.
The tight spot won't be there, that's all it cares about. Doesn't fit in there anymore. Alright.
We need to put some more grease in there.
Get all our bearings loaded up. We gotta check the fit now.
A little more loose. Oh yeah.
Got a little jiggle there now and there. I like that.
It's about how the old one was.
That's how it should be. This way here it'll be more because it's looser this way. Okay, I like that.
It's livable.
That will work.
Okay.
bearings are working good too.
Yeah.
Don't have to do them one at a time anymore.
Yeah. Just
Okay.
gotta load it up with grease and.
Now we need some new parts to go with our seal. We have to get a new parts.
Really? We're not gonna reuse that cork.
Oh, you want to?
It's brand new.
It might leak. Do you care if it leaks?
But we didn't have another one, did we?
Oh yeah, got more.
I don't know if I can afford another cork.
It's been crushed.
You think I'm made of money?
Yes. It's your call. It's your seal.
Let's get a new cork.
We can flip it upside down and try it again.
Would you reuse it?
With me? I'm not that cheap.
Oh, all right. Well, if you got another one.
We can save that for a backup. How's that?
Yeah. For the next guy.
Maybe Dan will need one.
Yeah.
Dan would reuse it. He
Sounds
doesn't
like
care.
my kind of guy.
His bike looks like a sieve anyway. You never know the difference. Okay.
I think the reason why my tranny didn't leak before was because of all the rust that was in there. It was just kind of stopping up all the leaks.
Is that what it was?
I think so.
Oh, easier. There you go. There you go now. Where's your Loctite?
That's probably on your shelf.
Where's your cork?
Probably somewhere in one of your other shelves.
Probably in the Loctite shelf.
Yeah.
Let's see, if we cheat and put Loctite on the inside, would that help?
I don't know.
Probably should wait. Alright, do that. Go find a cork. You missed it.
Missed what?
I put goop on the case already.
We might have caught it.
You might have caught it.
We might have.
Specialty.
The light might not have been on.
Oh, jeez, it's been dark. Okay, is there a reason not to put this together though?
No.
Good. What did I forget? I got everything. Except for the tool we need.
That doesn't work anymore. You have to flip it upside down, huh?
No. That's swat key in there.
Oh.
Goes under right like that. Hey, cold out there. Lift that door.
Cold?
Who left that door open?
It's the perfect temperature. It's balmy.
Balmy.
It's the
Let me balm this in for you.
perfect night to. Ooh, it sounded like a crack. Did you hear that?
I cracked the case. Must be a crack in there somewhere. Look at that big crack. Right down the whole side of it. Right on through there, see?
Oh man.
Maybe it's on this side.
Ow.
No, I don't see it. No, I think it's here and shit with there.
It'll leak right through that crack.
I think it was the cork. It was that new cork got cracked.
Ow.
It goes up and down. See, that was that noise you heard right there. Is that the noise?
Perhaps.
Okay, I rotated just a little bit, so I know it's fused now. Is that an earthquake or a truck driving by?
Scooby. Just laying down.
Scooby laying down?
Yeah.
Felt the same.
Well, we got the same bearings back in there.
Yeah, we got a new race.
All that.
All that for the same amount of crap. Yeah. Only took an hour and a half.
Yep. That we'll never get back from our lives.
Yeah. Probably didn't charge you for it the first time.
Well,
Means I won't even get charged a second time either. Damn, that's twice I lost out.
gosh.
Make my money doing that. Okay. Watch them all fall out this time.
Uh-oh. Don't say that. Oh, shit.
No, don't say that.
Oops.
Bad word. See if you can see the. If you hear see the gear all the way up against the case, there you know you don't have any rollers that slip out of position. Otherwise, you'd have a problem. Maybe that went right on there too this time. Oh, it almost rotates.
Almost rotates.
I didn't play. So now the seal's working. Feel it. See, I was a use seal because I did this before. There, it's broken in. Charge you for breaking now.
Yep.
I almost broke it too. I think it's almost worn out.
That's a separate charge. The worn out charge.
Okay, we'll get back to where we left off now.
Yeah.
Alright.
So now you're going to put the main shaft in.
Appears to be working good. There you go. No, we got to do the
Other bearing.
lock them tight.
Yeah, that's right.
Part you forgot. You didn't think I was going to forget about that, did you?
You're not doing it with your screwdriver.
No, I'm in a hurry now. Still does the same thing, it just takes longer. It's wasteful, look at that drip right there, just running on down the hill there. You said it was lubricated all the way around last time.
It was.
I put a big wad of it in there. Look at that. I loaded that sucker up that time. Look at that.
That'll never come out.
Yeah, it's disappearing for some reason. Okay, we're going to let the grass grow for a few minutes. We'll be back.